Today I'm going to show you how to make the most easy, delicious, heartwarming chicken parmesan in the air fryer oven. There are many ways to make chicken parmesan, but I'm going to show you the easiest way by using simple ingredients you have at home. To start with, I'm going to grate some mild cheddar cheese. I'm now going to prepare my vegetables. I've decided to use some green peppers, some red peppers, some scotch bonnet and also some red onions. So the scotch bonnet is completely optional. This is just in case you want to turn your regular parmesan into a hot shot parmesan. I'm now going to butterfly 2 chicken breasts. You can actually get your butcher to butterfly the chicken breasts for you to make them equal. I'm now going to bash the meat using my meat tenderizer. I'm now going to prepare some ingredients that I will be using to coat the chicken. First up, I'm going to crack 2 eggs in a bowl and give it a good whisk. I'm going to set that aside for later. Next, I'm going to put a generous amount of chicken fry mix onto a flat plate. I'm going to be using some golden breadcrumbs for that final coating. Now that the ingredients are ready, I'm going to dip the chicken into the egg wash first. So I'm going to make sure all of the chicken is covered in egg wash. I'm now going to dip that chicken into the chicken fry mix. I'm going to make sure every single part of that chicken is covered with the powder. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to dip it back into the egg wash. And for the final layer, I'm going to coat the chicken with some breadcrumbs. I'm going to repeat this process for the second chicken breast. The chicken is ready to be cooked. I'm just going to set that aside for later. The last thing I'm going to do for this chicken parmesan is to prepare the white sauce. So I'm just going to get some white lasagna sauce and put it into a bowl. I'm going to add a generous squirt of my favourite chilli sauce. I'm going to give that a really good mix, and that's my white sauce ready. So all of my ingredients have now been prepared. I'm going to start by frying the chicken in some oil. So I fried the chicken on a high heat for 4 minutes on each side. I'm going to place the chicken directly on the tray that goes into the air fryer oven. So the next step is completely optional but highly recommended. I have put a thin layer of creamy mash on top of them chicken breasts. I'm now going to pour some white sauce on top of that mash. Next I'm going to put some mild cheddar cheese on top. I'm going to add a generous amount of grated mozzarella. And lastly, I'm going to add some chopped vegetables followed by some red crushed chillies and some mixed herbs. So I have decided to cook this in my air fryer oven. I'm going to cook this for 30 minutes on 180°C. And just 30 minutes later, the chicken parmesan is fully cooked through and ready to serve.